So what's up, guys? This is Ryan with Anything RC, and this is the second scam video that I'm making. So I bought two of these items pretty much knowing they were scams. They were way too inexpensive for what the product that they were offering was. So there's this video of this guy. He gets a much bigger airplane and he throws it on the ground really hard. And then he picks it up, and then the airplane has a canopy over it. And then he gets that, and he dunks it in water, and then he gets it and he flies it around. And also, if you see in that video, not only does it have a top canopy to it, but it's actually a single pusher plane. It has a blade in the back that is a single pusher, so it could actually land in water and take off. This is a double pusher plane, and the props, if it were to land in water, it would it would not fly. So not only is it much smaller, but this is not even a single pusher plane, or in no way what they're advertising that they're selling. So please don't get scammed, please don't get ripped off. Do not buy these. They are not worth the $100 or $60 that they're saying. This is a $20 toy at most. You could probably buy them in bulk at even cheaper than that. They're probably paying somewhere, I would imagine, about $5 a piece for these. And then they're sending them out and then charging people $65. It's a complete scam. Please don't get scammed. Please don't get ripped off this year. Go to Anything RC, purchase stuff from us, or purchase stuff from real retailers, even if you don't get it from us. If it sounds like it's too good to be true, more than likely it really is. Somebody's selling cheap RC stuff, and they're putting a premium price on it, and you're definitely not getting a premium product. Thank you guys very much for watching. Share with your friends, like, subscribe. We'll have more cool content like this coming up.
Put a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget, hit that bell.